Hey guys, it's Thomas here, and I am the creator of NotionVC.com. So first of all, warm welcome and thank you very much for being here. And in this short video, I want to explain why I built this project and why I think that Notion templates are a great tool for VCs out there. So I have been a VC myself, running a niche 5 million vehicle investing in early stage companies across euros in fintech, and that is when I have built for my internal use case a CRM deal flow management based in Notion. And I've made this template public, and it has picked up a decent amount of traction. So that's when I thought, well, there might be something here, and this might be actually useful for other people as well. Why I think Notion templates are a great tool for VCs? Well, there are two things. First one is that they are simple, right? So you don't need any complicated integrations. You don't need to sign up anywhere. You don't need to pay monthly fees. So literally, all you need is a free Notion account, and you can try these tools yourselves. And the second one is customizability. So really, it's really simple to customize the templates to your needs. There is no coding involved, and with a pretty small learning curve, you can build quite sophisticated systems yourselves. So these are why I think the Notion templates are a great thing, especially for smaller VCs. So for angel investors, micro VCs, or solo general partners, I think Notion can really be a great tool for all of these use cases. Well, thank you very much for checking out NotionVC.com again. And the last thing I wanted to say is please don't hesitate to reach out, because your feedback and your thoughts or ideas are absolutely super valuable for me. So you can find my contact details at the bottom of the page, and I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you very much again, and I hope you have a great day.